Imagine yourself in this 2014 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: 2 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, 4.3-liter V6 engine, air conditioning, automatic transmission, bed length, 78.9, clock, in radio display, cruise control, cylinder deactivation and daytime running lights. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.